create this vibrant nail design with me using the new Madame Glam Neon Unity collection, which is available now. So I started by laying down my first line down the right hand side of the nail. Now this is going to be so much easier on a square or ballerina shaped nail. I did try this on an almond nail and it really isn't as easy to keep your lines straight. And then I always start with my warm or cool colours first. So as you can see, I started with the pinks into the orange, I then go into the yellow, and then I get onto the cooler colours, which are the green, the blue and the purple. Keeping the line straight is difficult and this does look kind of wonky, but you can adjust these as you go along. If you just go over the previous color slightly, you can kind of straighten out your lines a little bit. But I love the look of this design. It is really easy and effective to do, and it just looks great for this time of year with all the vibrant colors. And I love that some of these are glittery colors and some of them are regular cream colors. These are so easy to work with. I actually think they could be doubly used as art gels because they are so pigmented and so easy to work with. I even had enough room on the nail to go back to the pink to make it a full scale rainbow, and I just love how this turned out. It really didn't take me that long at all, and if you're just doing this on an accent nail, I think it looks amazing and so fun. But let me know what you guys think.